To access your camera, the first thing that we want to do is find our camera application. So select your All Applications menu and then select Camera. This will automatically take you to camera mode. Now simply point at the image that you would like to take a photo of, and then press this button located at the right middle of your screen. And the photo will be taken. The photo we just took will automatically save to your gallery. Now you can begin taking more photos if you'd like. The home button will take us back to our home screen. Now let's record a video with our camcorder. Select the All Applications menu and now select Camcorder. To begin recording, press the red button located here and recording will begin. It lets you know at the bottom of your screen how many seconds of recording you've done. To end recording, press the same button and the recording will stop. The video that we just recorded is automatically stored to our phone's gallery. Now let's return back to our home screen by pressing the home button. Now if we want to view the photo or the video that we just took, we have to find our gallery application. So select your All Applications menu and then select Gallery located here. This will bring up all of your videos and photos that you've taken. As you can see, we have one video and one photo. Let's select the video and then press play. When the video is done playing, it will take you back to your gallery of videos. Press the back button and then you will see all of the videos and photos. If we select the photo and then select the photo again, it will bring it in full screen view. The home button will take us back to our home screen. And you've successfully recorded a video and taken a photo.